buddy?
Oh! Oh, what's up?
Oh. Yo, we're gonna install this on the roof, man. Watch out.
Yeah.
I put no trust in no one. We just ripped the hell out of these skylights right here. We're gonna reinstall them.
Fucking right.
Look how wet this is, man. The wood. Oh my God! So we're gonna do a little video for you guys today. Show you guys what it's all about.
Right.
Look at this property. Watch where you step, eh? Don't want you to fall off, bro.
But you, do I broom it off the roof?
No, what are you doing? Yeah. Just broom it in a pile. We're gonna pick it up. Let's go. Oh. Look at this. Look at this, boys. Oh, rotten. Okay, we're gonna have to fix all that. We got a lot on our hands, boys. We're gonna keep you updated, though. We're gonna keep you updated.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got one piece of plywood on top here. Don't have too much nails, so we're gonna do what we gotta do and put some coils in there.
You gotta film on the side. You wanna do a proper vlog, bud? You gotta know how to vlog it, right? No, just.
You let me film the way I film. Oh, beautiful cut right there. Beautiful cut. Beautiful. Oh. We gonna fix it. There you go.
The côté. No. No, you gotta start it from the fucking side, bud. I'm telling you, bud. Okay, now restart.
Restart it.
Yo, look at this. Got the whole wood done right here. Look, all of it. All the way to the brick. Oh, now it's solid. It's gonna snow in like 2 hours, 20 centimeters. Now
20 centimeters.
This is the last little bit of non-snow you're gonna see in Canada.
Yeah.
We got the whole thing organized. So we're gonna put this back on. We're gonna shingle. And you're gonna clean garbage, bud. You're gonna clean garbage downstairs.
Oh fuck yeah! I'm fucking gonna clean.
Let's go. The snow's coming.
I'm gonna do it.
Hey Nick, I can see your butt cheek. Get back to work. I can see your butt. Are you sure? What do you mean? Dude, you're paid $20 an hour to fucking do this. God, what's wrong with you? There you go, bud. He's got to bring that all the way in the front. It's a big property. Oh, God.
Big block of garbage here. Fucking heavy. Look, I'm still walking. Look, it's a beautiful house we're at today, though. Absolutely beautiful. We're still walking. Like this. Bring us all the way over here. Fuck. That's gonna be fun. Keep you updated, guys.
Look at this. Oh my God, we got a woman here shingling. Good job, baby. On the line. Oh! Oh, that was tight.
Oh, here he comes. Here comes the boss. Look
at this bad boy.
Frame on and everything with you.
Oh, yeah. Watch this. Look at this bad boy. Hi, everybody.
Oh! Oh, what's up?
Oh. No, we're gonna install this on the roof, man. Watch out.
Yeah. Here we are. Got both the skylight on.
We got one already on. We got
that brand new one right here.
This one here.
The brand new one right here.
Yeah, we run this shit, bud. We run this shit, bud. Us, we don't fuck around, bud. We don't stay at home. We're out here.
About to start snowing soon, man. We got hustle. We got go. Gotta go, man. Almost all done here. Look, almost all cleaned up. Got the roof a little bit to clean up. That's it. Look, you got my boss over there screaming like a madman too. Fucking crazy person, man. This guy's crazy.
Come on, let's go. Right in the action, baby. Yeah. Snow's coming. Let's go.
We'll be back. Once it's done. We're going for the world record.
Oh my God, it's starting to snow. It's starting to snow, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Yo, snowing, man. We beat the snow. First snow in Canada, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful job. Look at this beautiful thing. Hey. Yo, now we gotta wrap things up before the snow comes. We'll show you guys a little update of how much snow that's gonna fall, man. Canada. Woo-hoo.
fucking done, boys.
Look at this snow, bud. Yo, we're literally strapped up. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my God. We got it done. What? Are you happy? Yeah. Let's get it done. We gotta get it done. Go for the world record. We're going for the world record. Here we go. World record. Let's go.
What are you doing there, Eve? What are you doing there, bud? What are you doing there, bud? Are you sparking up there, bud? Fuck, we're out here.
Yo,
beautiful night, man.
Look at this blizzard, bud.
Oh my God, it's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. Woo!
Welcome to Canada, boy. This is it, the first snowstorm of the whole freaking year.
I'll make sure you never forget me.
Orleans, my hometown, baby. We got strong man here. How'd you like working today? How'd you like it?
Yeah, it was a good day. It was a good day. We got the world record today. We got triple skylight today.
That's a record. That's a record. It's a world record.
Hold on to no grudge. Keep it real, I don't budge. You could try to push me and shove, but I won't fall for your bluff, cuz